Okay, second video for today. Wife outsmarted me. She says she Googles the error code on the washing machine E3 and Google answers her something about the hoses. She's smart enough to check the filter on the bottom. She checked that, nothing came out, we're good. So in the video you'll see me take off the hoses, find two sets of filters. There's an outer filter and an inner filter I poked in just to see, and there's a secondary filter in there. So you guys get to see that and see me put it back. We did all that and it worked the first time. And I was okay, and then she says it's not working again. Go downstairs, same hours later. Go downstairs, do the same process a couple times, nothing. And then she says to me, hey, look at this door looks funny. I said, what do you mean? She says, it's kind of crooked. I'm thinking to myself, what does that got to do with it? And you see me bring up the error code again, move the door over, shift it, and the washing machine goes on. Okay, I guess the moral of the story is I've been a repairman for 45 years, 30 years in the field I'm in now, and I run across a lot of clients, tenants, whoever. They come up with these odd stories, and you're like, that person is lost in space or something. Not always. Be careful. Don't always judge. Just see what's going on. I'll see you guys later. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe and like. Bye. Okay, let's put the machine on. Was reading E3 before. Press the start pause button. And you can hear the water flow. Before we couldn't hear the water flow. So that's why we were getting an error code. So we're good to go. The machine is fixed. You guys see that E3 code? I cleared it earlier today, but apparently I got a same problem. Turn the water off. Reach that. Yep, I got it. Okay, I'm thinking these guys might be giving me a problem. I'm not sure yet. Okay, we're here earlier and we took these two guys out and we cleaned them and still got the same E3. It winds up there's a secondary filter in there. See if you guys can see. I don't know if you can see. It's not so easy. But there's a secondary filter and the inlet's very small. See a little pinhole? It's rubber, like a rubber seal around there. So this setup is kind of odd to me. Didn't expect that. Anyway, we're cleaning the two secondary guys, then we'll put them in and test the machine again. Putting everything back together. Hopefully we get lucky. Trying to get it in the way it came out, so I want to be careful with that. Okay, that one is in properly. Put the red one in there. I had to give it a little gentle push. That one also is in properly. And you just go the other way with the tab out so you can grab it and take it out. And we'll see if we still have an issue. Okay, I guess you guys can see the E3. Everything I did didn't work out. Can you see how the door doesn't line up over here? Wife pointed that out to me. And I'm like, okay. Gotta listen to people sometimes. Even though I have 30 years experience as a repairman, don't mean I know everything. We'll try to push the door. Now we push the door. Now we're gonna pause it. Can you believe that? The door switch went out of whack because the door was shifted to one side. Now that's sick. Good luck, you guys.